Hey everyone, welcome back to DCP-T430W. Today is a big one because I just spent $190 on this Brother DCP-T430W printer. And honestly, this is the most expensive thing I have ever unboxed on this channel. So let's see if it was worth it. Let me quickly tell you why I picked this printer. It's an ink tank printer, which means you refill it with ink, bottles instead of buying tiny cartridges every month, and that saves a lot of money over time. It can print, scan, and copy, and it's known as one of the easiest printers for beginners. So if you have never set up a printer before, just like me, pulling off the plastic bag and wow, there is tape everywhere. Tape on the top, tape on the sides, tape holding the tray closed. It feels like they really did not want this printer moving around during shipping. Let's take a proper look at it now. Here's the scanner lid on top. It lifts up smoothly, and this is where you place documents or photos to scan or copy. Now let's check the side. This panel opens up, and this is where the ink tanks are, which is really the heart of this printer. Inside the box, we also have the power cable, a cable for connecting to a computer if needed, and two small green cards. I was actually confused about these at first, but these are cleaning cards, made to help keep the ink area clean later on. Keep these somewhere safe, do not throw them away with the box. Let me show you a close view here before we deal with the ink, because once the ink bottles are open, there is no going back. Let's look at the paper tray now. It slides out easily, and this is where normal paper goes. Taking a look inside the printer as well, this is where the actual printing happens. Now flipping it around to check the back side, and here is a small paper outlet. This one is actually for thicker paper, like photo paper or cardstock, not regular paper. Time to power everything up. Plugging in the main cable and we are connected. Before touching anything electrical, I am plugging this printer into my backup power socket first. This protects the printer in case the power suddenly cuts off while we are setting it up. A little safety step that is worth it. Grabbing a stack of paper now, giving it a quick shake so the sheets do not stick together, and placing it into the tray, adjusting the paper guide so everything feeds in straight. Now the part I was nervous about, the ink. Opening the ink tank covers one by one, 4 colors ready to go in. Opening the first bottle, and it splattered a little bit as soon as I opened it, grabbing tissue right away to clean it up. Turns out these bottles are under some pressure, so you have to be careful and go slow, learning that the hard way. Moving on to the next color, being a lot more careful this time. All 4 colors are in now, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and thankfully everything looks fine. Now the big moment, pressing the power button and then pressing the green print button to start, and now we wait. This part takes a little time because the printer is preparing the ink inside, so if yours is doing the same thing, do not worry, just let it finish. And there it is, it's finally printing. A color test page is coming out, checking that all the ink colors are working properly. All 4 colors are showing up clearly, which means the setup worked. Next, I wanted to connect my phone to the printer using the Brother Mobile Connect app. I will be honest, this part took me watching more than 20 tutorials online before. I finally understood how to connect it properly, but after some trial and error, it worked. And now the real test, printing directly from my phone using Wi-Fi, no cables at all, and it worked.
Wow.
I was honestly really happy about this. After that, I ended up printing for the rest of the night just because I was excited to keep testing it. So that is the full unboxing and setup of the Brother DCP-T430W, ink splatter and all. And yes, it was worth the $190. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to DCP-T430W. This channel is my personal space where I share whatever I am, working on unboxings, experiments, and my journey as a creator. So there is no fixed topic here. Just follow along for the ride. More videos on this printer are coming soon, including how to properly turn it on, some hidden tips, how to use photo paper, how to scan and copy, and how to get the best print quality. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See you in the next video.